Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a boat from number 7. Let's begin. This is on top. And let's draw the line of the boat here. Okay. It's on the water. So this thing, it's standing on a pole. It's really a long pole. Usually everybody use a bamboo pole and another pole in this side. And there's a connection here. It's usually tied with a rope. A rope is tied here. A person sits here in the back. This is a traditional boat without engine, so it runs manually with natural natural winds and propelling. So there is no mechanism or electrical mechanism here. It totally depends on the nature's energy. All right, we can do little detail on the water. This is also becoming more visible. Okay, the water is also gets detailing. All right, now do little detailing here. Let's do here. Usually this stuff is made with fiber or cloths. When there's strong wind, it sails. I think the drawing is almost done. All right, thanks for watching the video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe and put the bell icons on to get any new update on this channel, Blue Hands Drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.